Okie dokie. This is an equation with a radical. I think I'm going to do like probably odds from here on out. 16 and 17, guys, you would square both sides, but it's a number, so, all works out. So we start this by squaring both sides, right? So when we look at this, we're going to square, whoops, pick the pen. There we go. Pick the pen. Be one with the pen. You are the pen. There we go. Nope. I forgot to put the wrist guard up, so everything was moving. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. That's squared and that's squared, right? That crazy mess right there, that's going to cancel. It's going to go away, right? Because we have the square root and we square it. And so ultimately, we have a 12 minus a b equals a b squared. And again, I apologize. My b's and my sixes look the same. So, to solve this, good grief, we are subtracting 12. We are adding b to both sides. Adding b, subtracting 12. So we get 0. I keep thinking that's going to, never mind. I keep thinking something's going to work and it doesn't work. Okay, 0 equals b squared plus b minus a 12. I need two numbers when I'm, those b's look terrible. I'm so sorry. I need two numbers. When I multiply them, I get a negative 12. And when I add them, I get the 1 here, positive 1 there. So two numbers, when I multiply, I get a negative 12. Add, I get a 1. Those are going to be a positive 4 and a negative 3. So this is, oh, good grief. 0 equals b plus 4 and b minus 3, which of course means we get b equals a negative 4 and b equals a positive 3. We get two answers because we squared a variable. You get two answers because you squared a variable. So you have to go back, and I was trying to move the equation itself out of the way, but you have to go back and check in this original equation, right? So when you do this, you are, and again, you guys can use your calculator to do it. You just double check it. You're going to plug your numbers back in. So I'm going to check this one first, negative 4. Does the square root of 12 minus a negative 4, right? Okay, and remember, if you're checking on your calculator, that is what you would type in, 12 minus a negative 4, and you could actually just hit enter, right? And so if we did that, we'd get a positive 4, sorry, because 12 minus a negative 4 is 12 plus 4, so we get 16. We take the square root of that, and we get 4. But does that equal, well, on the right side, we are literally just plugging in the b, and that doesn't work, so no, that's a no. And then we can check the other one. Again, you're welcome to just check with your calculator, but you must check. Does 12 minus a 3, so the square root of 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3 is 9, square root of 9 is 3. Does that equal, when we just plug it in, a plain old 3? Yes. Okay. So you have to circle the one that's right. You have to cross off the one that's wrong. And remember, both could be right or both could be wrong. So it's not, it's not one or the other. It's any of those options. So you've got to make sure you're really careful with your check.